The Lasko Oscillating Pedestal fan is a stylish and practical addition to any room in your home. With its sleek Art Deco design and classic black color, this floor fan seamlessly fits into any modern living space. Measuring 20.5 inches in diameter and 54.5 inches in height, it provides effective cooling and air circulation ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or home offices. One of the standout features of this fan is its adjustability. The adjustable height and tilt functions allow you to customize the airflow to suit your needs precisely. This flexibility ensures that you can enjoy a comfortable environment tailored to your preferences. Despite its powerful performance, the Lasko Oscillating Pedestal fan operates at a noise level of 61.6 dB, ensuring that it effectively cools your space without creating a disruptive atmosphere. Whether you are relaxing, working, or sleeping, this fan offers both functionality and peace of mind. In conclusion, the Lasko Oscillating Pedestal fan